We're outside, it's windy.
That's right.
Lots of power, we survived the storm.
This Thursday, we're doing the TikTok egg sandwich trend. I'm not saying it again.
You know what? We'll see.
It's excellent. Or is it?
Will they be good? I don't know.
Well, if you would have listened, oh shoot, you do have it on camera. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that little bell, because we're gonna find out today. What do you think? It's a pretty cool one, I think.
I think it seems fun making a sandwich.
It does.
Instead of like a fried egg sandwich, it's kind of, in core, you're still gonna get the awesome gooey yolk and everything, but it's all gonna be packaged up really nice.
Yeah, exactly. And I think like the cool trendy part about it is the technique they use on the spoon.
Yeah, and a way to separate eggs.
Yeah, I think that's kind of what they were going for, but really, it's really not that hard to separate eggs with your fingers. I mean, it's the same thing.
Yeah, except to get dirty unless you have gloves.
Yeah,
or
see?
if you have a sink with water.
That's right. Well, oh, you're making fun of me because I'm wearing gloves, aren't you?
No, never.
It only took me 10 minutes to figure that out.
I'll make fun of you about that later.
But since we got farm fresh eggs, they do leave us a little note in here to crack these into a separate container because some of them might have little chickens in them.
Well, let's hope not.
Let's hope not. But we're gonna go ahead and do that to 2 of our eggs.
Exactly. Oh, you didn't break the yolk.
I did.
You did break the yolk.
I did break the yolk, man.
Well, okay, cut.
We can just add this. We can make scrambled eggs.
Yes, exactly.
Boom, baby.
Okay.
That's 1. We're going for 1. Spread this butter around.
Exactly. How many times can I use it?
Now we're gonna try out this technique. We're gonna use this spoon. And we're gonna pour our eggs right over the slotted spoon.
All right, separate. Ooh.
Oh.
All right.
This doesn't work.
Well, let's go ahead and just scramble this.
Yeah, we're gonna make some scrambled real quick and we'll be right back. I'll just throw some pepper in there.
Here, I got a slotted spoon that may or may not work. All right, we ready for take 2?
Yeah.
Better believe it.
Take 2. We got a different size slotted spoon. We've got some more eggs.
Exactly.
We're gonna try it again.
Okay.
Okay. All right. All right, it's working.
Yeah, there it goes. Naughty eggs.
Kinda. Come on.
Yeah, I mean,
I don't know how well this really works. I think my fingers would be better.
yeah, or even just separating them in the little egg shells.
Yeah, using the shell, but we're gonna try it anyways. So let's
Get all that good egg stuff.
yeah, get all the egg whites slid around. Wow, this is just not working out so great.
Oh, it's exciting though.
Yes, it is. Okay, so I guess that's as much as we're gonna get.
Yeah, okay, now then I would just put the eggs right in the center
Right in the
there.
center.
Because that's the fun of the sandwich. And I'm gonna give you some pepper.
Awesome.
Throw, yeah, salt. And we're gonna throw in a little cheese because we're gonna fold this up like a nice little package.
Mm-hmm. And then we just fold it like a package, right?
Yeah, just bloop, 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 bloop.
Okay.
You know, when I first tested it, it worked pretty decent.
Really?
But I didn't use the spoon to separate the eggs. I just separated them like
With your
a
hands?
normal person. Yes, but you want a nice little package like that. Ooh,
Ooh,
almost forgot.
the bread's probably ready by now.
Ooh. It is hot.
And then I'm a little worried to toss it because it's not really held together very well. Whew, look at you. Look at you. Good job.
Yes, you just gotta
This guy.
go all in. Put some little orange marmalade on it.
Mmm. We were gonna use some spicy Melinda's orange. Well, is it orange or was it
Yeah, it was orange.
orange marmalade? But we couldn't find it. Maybe we ate it all.
I mean, that is possible. We did make some cocktails with it.
We did, and those were so good. We'll go ahead and shut this heat off so you don't overcook that egg.
Yes, hey. It's right, like I said, if you wanted, you could put some little sausage in there.
Oh yeah, you could do sausage, bacon,
crumbles,
pepperoni. You could use mozzarella. You could do.
Yes.
Sky's the limit.
Or you can put sausage patties and a Canadian bacon down on your bread.
Oh yeah.
But we're just doing eggs.
All right, you ready?
Yes, I am.
All right, let's do this. Oh, that's crazy.
And look, it's like perfect bread size.
Dude, it is. That's awesome. Look at that. That's so cool. I mean, it really is cool. Now, the whole process of the trend, we might have had some issues with, but
do you want to cut it?
You got it. You already got the knife. You got the sandwich. But the whole idea is really cool.
See, the gooey.
Ooh.
So you get your nice little sauce.
Yeah. You ready to dig into this?
Yes.
I bet y'all are. Cheers.
That's a good idea. Dip it in that.
That was really good.
I put it down.
Yeah. That marmalade really sets it off. Is the marmalade part of the trend too?
Nope.
It is now. Don't die back there. Wow.
Ooh.
That marmalade is freaking awesome in this, dude.
No, it's not just awesome. It's excellent. Wow, that is really good sandwich.
That's right. It's confirmed. It is an excellent sandwich. So,
Yeah,
you gotta try it.
I wouldn't use the spoon. Just,
Use your hand.
yeah.
You gonna show them how to do it?
Yeah, just real
There you
simple. You can put gloves on, or you can just wash your hands. There's
crack
a couple
it open.
ways. You can do it through that. I just find
You can do
that
the eggshell where you just kind of go back and forth, or right into your hand like he just did,
Yep.
and you just kind of let the whites fall through your fingers.
Excuse me. And there you go. Perfect
like that.
little egg yolk.
And then you can just set that aside in another little container. Pour the whites in there. You could even beat the whites so you don't have the issue we had.
Yes. You do. But
Yeah.
you just gotta wash your hands afterwards. You can do it that way.
That's the eggshell method.
Right there.
It's a lot easier to bust your yolk though when you use the eggshells.
Yeah.
So we like to use our hands.
Exactly.
So don't forget to keep it trendy.
Yeah. And wash your hands.
Oh yeah, that too.
Make my day. Pump up the jam, pump it up while your feet are stumping, and the jam is bumping. Look at him.
I came to the conclusion that you were right.